Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. In this video, we're going to be going through and having a look at my YouTube earnings for this month. Now, before we go ahead and do that, I just want to let you know, here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews, as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, how about you smash that like button, as well as subscribing, and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Okay guys, let's go check it out. Okay, so here we are at my YouTube Studios dashboard. Now, first thing we need to do to be able to find out where we need to go is to go over here to Analytics. Go over here, and this will tell me how much I've got. So your channel got 14,777 views in the last 28 days. Now you have to understand that this particular niche is the make money online niche, and that's one of the higher earning revenues online. So just be aware of that. If you are monetized and your analytics don't reflect the same as what I'm currently earning, that's probably because you're not in the same niche. Now, it could also be that when I go through my earnings, you'll see how it's fluctuating up and down a bit. So let's have a look at what that's like. All right, so first of all, let's go over here to revenue section just here. Now, this is for the last 28 days. It's not 31 days or 30 days. And you'll see that there'll be a little bit of a fluctuation difference in the amount I've earned. So let's go back in time. Let's travel back in time to have a look at the first month, which was July. So we can go back here, and over in July, you'll see that the estimated revenue that I earned was $196.34. That was for the entire month from the 31st of May right through to the 30th of June. And that's how much I earned, was $196.34. And my revenue per mil, which means how much I was earning per 1,000 views, that's how much I actually earned. Not how much YouTube earns, but how much I earned per 1,000 views. And that was $13.91 per 1,000 views. That was my first month. And over here, you'll see that was approximately the total ad revenue, which is playback based CPM, cost per mil, is $50.61. Now basically that's how much advertisers are prepared to pay per 1,000 views on my channel or on my particular niche. So you'll find that how it works is you got, out of this, if you were to divide how many dollars they got, YouTube got, how many I got, you'll see that I only got $13.91 on average per 1,000 views. And you'll see something really interesting as you keep watching and keep going through this. Now let's go and have a look at August. Over in August, I earned in total from 1st of July through to the 31st of August. Is that July or August? That's August. Sorry, from the 1st of August to the 31st of August, I earned $239.13. And my RPM, which is how much I specifically earned per 1,000 views, was $17.33. So it jumped from $13 through to $17.33. But my playback CPM went up a little bit as well. It was 53.56. So the jump in this didn't exactly reflect exactly what it was here. So as you can see, it only went up $3, but mine went up about $4. So obviously the first month is always going to be a little bit less. Now let's have a look at this month's one. So this month happens to be September, and it's only showing the first 25 days, mind you. It's not showing the entire 31 days. So from the 1st of September through to the 25th of September, remembering that's not even a full month yet, it's showing from, it looks like compared to August. Okay, so this one here is 259.82, and the RPM, which is the revenue per mil, which is what I actually earn, it's closer to $20 now. It was originally $13, and now it's jumped all the way up to nearly $20. However, my playback, my CPM has gone down a bit, but that's only gone down compared to last month. So if you were to look at the fact that once this goes up through to the 30th of September, you'll find that this will jump back up and probably balance out to be roughly about the same amount of money. So as this actually fluctuates by day, per day, this does fluctuate quite a bit, and it goes up and down as time goes on. Now, one of the things I will say is this is based purely on my ad revenues. Now, you have to understand that I don't have any memberships on this yet. What I do, I've only done one live stream so far, and if I was to be doing a membership site or something like that, that would increase this amount of money, and it would also increase how much my ad revenue would go up as well. Because if anyone decides that they want to support me financially, and they decide to do things like super chats, if I'm doing something live and they want to speak to me and do a super chat and throw me some income that way, then I can get some ad revenue from that. And also too, with that in mind, if I was to have my membership up and running, then anybody who decides to join my membership can also join up and get exclusive rights to that as well, and which also means that I'll earn some extra money through that, and that would reflect in this as well. But this is purely just AdSense ad revenue, okay? So this is straight across the board AdSense ad revenue, nothing else. And this is what I'm earning. And so if you're deciding to, say, for example, do gaming or something along those lines, you'll find that your ad revenue won't be anywhere near as high as this. And you'll best be going into things like affiliate marketing, maybe selling things like games and other things like that to help supplement your income. Also too, if you're on another channel, say for example you're a cooking channel, you might want to add cookbooks, do some things about food that you want to be able to sell, do some Amazon affiliate marketing and so forth. All those sort of things are going to help you with your site. Also, you might want to have like a membership site of some kind, maybe like an Etsy store where you can sell other products and you can direct people to that store. Now, the thing is, with that particular idea in mind, you just have to remember that I also get paid affiliate income as well. So this does not reflect my affiliate earnings. My affiliate earnings on top of this certainly increases the amount of money I'm earning substantially. And that's what you want to remember when you are creating your videos, whether it be on YouTube or whether you're doing it anywhere else. Make sure you add extra revenue streams to your income so as you're not just relying on this. Now, back in 2011, when I think it was 2011, or was it 2000? It might have been a couple of years back anyway, when they had it was 2016, sorry. Back in 2016, when YouTube went through the adpocalypse, and suddenly a lot of people lost their ad revenue, and a lot of people just went flat with their income. They were earning $200,000 and dropped down to like $2,000 a month. That kind of hurt a lot of people. So if they were relying strictly on Google ad revenue, that was a bad idea. Especially if they didn't have any other extra income coming in. For example, affiliate income. It's always pays that if you're going to be doing this, to have like a merchandising store, to have affiliate sites that you can promote, or having something like, some sort of Etsy store that you can lead people towards. You can be doing things like Amazon affiliate marketing. You can have other sort of ad revenues that you can be earning money from, or other sort of revenues that you can be earning money from. So really, to be perfectly honest, that is really the best way to be making sure you do earn money online. But just in the meantime, while we're talking about that, just to let you know that if you're wanting to earn money online, creating your own digital product and promoting that on your site is also a really good way of doing it. And having your own membership site where you can have direct people where they can join up in your membership site and have people join up that can make you a lot of money. That brings me to the idea of Make Money Matt. He sells his course for like $900. Make Money Matt, if you don't know who he is, you know, he's brilliant. He has a lot of really good insight on how to run YouTube channels. And he is a young guy who's only just hit 21 and he's a millionaire already. Okay, he runs 9 YouTube channels and he gets a lot of ad revenue from those. But you have to understand that he doesn't make all his money from ad revenue. He makes it mainly from his course that he sells. And that's where you can also make sure you make money online, is to create your own digital product. He created his own digital product and he has his own course. Now, remembering that's one of the most important things you can do to be earning your own revenue. Now, I'm only doing this through affiliate marketing and so forth right now, but I do plan on having my own membership site up and running soon, and also wanting to make a YouTube membership site as well as having things like Super Chat and so forth when I start doing live streaming. So all of that will add to the ad revenue. That will also all add up on how much money we earn as creators. So as you can see, once this goes up, I'm certain this will be closer to around $280 or maybe even closer to $300 in the month. Now, one thing I will say, that you have to understand that this gets paid out in US dollars. And currently the Australian dollar isn't great, not compared to the US dollar. So when I get extra income coming in from US, instead of being $259, that actually brings me over the $300 mark in Australian money, which is pretty cool. I'm not upset about that. Okay guys, so if you like this particular video, please remember to smash the like button as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Hey, if you like this, also why not consider sharing, and also leave a comment down below if you can think of any other way on how YouTubers and creators can be earning other ad revenue. Thanks for watching and bye for now.